Pyoge Nyentinki Nire Sanjo Lerim Sensi Nange Zazi Simo Yangla Tsamja Shubatan Tak, Tirini Pionda Tangbo Chudawe Tsabatun Tang, Chindanyebe Tse Chungni Resa Mingma Ki Sanjo Lerim Nyenju Shugunyi, Tiringi Lerim Te Nang, Jinor Konskyangu Chambu Choki, Geji Zombobo Takjen Dibak Chobra Lagi Nitibe, Mina Ngabju Zamla Jagadang Kalup Zenawe Kortang, Gyaga Sargang News 18 Ki Zumdikba Gushab, Mukesh Rajput Latang, Kongi Nangmi, 대신 레지 가지 범위마 지들 행각도 배배 골제 년주 주교유 상주 십자 모두 시로낭 가상 치세 축제년 계획 포랑도 진호 공식장부 전부 초기 계지 정보부 타전 구십 디박 조블라기 네티베 민능압주 잠다 제가 당 깔롭제낭도 갑대 진호 공식장부 전부 초기 강의 조 야간 나라기 링내삼 렉샤기 로마인 제당 야가르기 렉셰 데다 체 나랍 임바 잠도 마세 팅두 뉴욕진 체외 제조 낭도와 렉셰 데다 제와 하자 여바식 임바때 야가 나랍기 링네 데다 라르수 제구도 제 갈롭제 낭도
I'm trying to revival of this ancient Indian knowledge in modern India.
Yes.
The reason these is the ancient Indian knowledge tackle our mind. The world need that. Consider not as a religion, but an academic subject of because of the hygiene of physical, the health reason, and then logics, very good, very useful, sharpening our mind. I'm as a student of ancient Indian Parman logic. So whenever I heard something, the immediate reaction is why, how, always is this reaction. So then further investigation. Something I heard, I never say yes, yes, yes. I never say that. Why? That's useful, isn't it?
Yes.
So there's an Indian tradition, ancient Indian tradition, not modern Indian tradition. So I fully committed, try to revival of these ancient Indian knowledge. Reason, world need some of this knowledge. So then only India have the ability and opportunity to combine ancient Indian knowledge as your own tradition, then combine with modern education, combine these two things. No other country. So therefore, my latest commitment is try to revival of this ancient Indian knowledge in modern India.
모두 공수처의 두렵 예제기 잠린 대신 시대된바식 중고바탕 학벌 두된 천점매배 체매 시외 잠린식 중고교내 하장의 개정부 연구를 갈롭디다르제 낭송.
We have to think seriously. Selling weapon, eventually making weapon. I think eventually this should stop. Not by order, but by people, some kind of people's movement. One, Costa Rica's president.
Former president, Oscar Arias.
Once he should express some kind of limitation or some kind of check, weapon selling weapon. Then eventually nothing happened. Then a few years ago, one Nobel laureate meeting in Rome, after we heard there were some specialists about nuclear weapon. If nuclear weapon use the so-called nuclear window or something, terrible. So then I express, now it is not sufficient just to express free nuclear weapon is not sufficient. We must make timetable. Within 2 years, within 3 years, this world should free any nuclear weapon. I express, then nothing happened. I thought, you see, some kind of Nobel laureate, you see, they make some kind of expression within 2 years, 3 years. the world should be free any nuclear weapon.
Sheyang Khonsu Choge Nganzo Tang Khonso She Mayin Bar Ndoa Mi Chikyu Ki Tushi Zingukyu Hajang Ki Kega Chimbu Yin Goryang Kalop Zenang Yobare.
Basically, we are compassionate social animal. Nobody wants suffering. Yet, a lot of suffering our own creation. I usually is telling people that I believe also the many problems which we too much emphasis, differences, that is secondary level. Basic level, we are same human being. So all those problems which created by too much emphasis on secondary level of differences, now the only remedy is we must go deeper level, we are same human being. Different religion, different nationality is secondary, not much important.
Shize Kushab Dibak Chobra Lagi, Tenga Chino Konstango Chimbocho, Tenkashe, Jete Shunyu Yobatang, Kone, Yagarla Kutumbe, Ari Mese Shigimba Mase, Geji Zomboba Taje Shikan Nimbare.
Chronic illness is not due to gene mutations. Only 5% is due to gene mutations. The rest is linked to inflammation in the body.
Kasan Chese Chukchi News 18 Shebe Sargangi Zumdiba Kushab Murkish Rajput Latang, Kongi Nangmi, Tishin Leji Kachik Pemima Chidu Langanto Pepar, Pande Choshun Ajaria Yishipinzo Choge, Nelen Sabke Shunantu. Kaptir Pande Choshun Choge, Tuzo Chodu Dang, Chidu Lenzoki Dubja, Tishin Tande Penang, Gyana Shunki, Tekzenki Siju Wo, Puminam Mesuba Ranglu Merse Nangshimba So, Penangi Zara Nedan Kor Sunawa Mase. Choshun Choki, Chinor Konskangbu Chumbu Choki, Gadindang, Chige Gabyola Dene, Zenju Pimi Jizo Sarzu Nawatang, Sakzu Yogor, Teshin Pebe Losarki, Kene Dang, Sunzi Chilu, So Shibda, Deju Nangibare. Mudu Pande Choshun Choki, Debe Longo Tukju Nang, Zenju Nang Yobe Pimitang, Geji Tuzo Tumi Pedun Gabyor Chokpa, Teshin Pedun Gabyor Chokpa Soki, Pedun Legu Gaje Peyoba, Chidu Namba, Chi Gegab Kato, Tuzo Tumiso Jedeki, Pedun Shuguji, Pepsin Yogor So Sunawa Mase, Tengdil Zumdiba Cho, Chitu Langato Pepar, Pedun Gor Pente Yowe Rewa Yogor Sumbatan Len, Maumbar News 18 Ki Sangyu Nang, Pedun Gor Kangma Tijatang, Toling Naro Shubar, Kongi Kangdu Chitu Shugu Sheshi Nang Yudu. Zumdiba Kong Longo Chukchi Zamgiring, Sargobe Nyamnyo Yobatang, Sargan Daminang, Chale Nangyo Yobamase, Tandechar News 18 Ki Zumdiba Yibatang, Lugyu Dan Chapsi, Rikshunda Jizo Nedun To, Kenya Hajan Yogenshik Hindu. Tiringi Sangyu Lerim Tizamyi, Pyoge Nyenti Ne Gyangsen Shube Niri Nezuka, Shanggo Tage Kajanto Ne Sikyu Yube, Tedon Konja Narunang.